This video will teach you how to build an asset hierarchy. Assets inside your CMMS are arranged using an asset hierarchy that models how your assets are organized in real life. The asset hierarchy should be an exact match to the physical location of the assets at your facilities. This will help everyone find the assets they need to work on quickly. A common mistake is to create a location to place similar types of items. To differentiate between different types of assets, you should instead use asset categories. The asset hierarchy should only be an indication of where the asset is located and the system-to-subsystem relationships between assets. An asset hierarchy begins with the top-level asset. The top-level asset is broken down into its smaller subcomponents. This process is repeated until all of the subcomponents are exhausted. In your CMMS, you can start at the top, beginning with your parent facility. Refine down to the departments and rooms, right down to the systems, equipment, and subcomponents. You can make the hierarchy as detailed or as simple as you want. To demonstrate how the asset hierarchy works, I click the Asset menu on the left and create the first asset, which will be my parent facility. There are two options how I want my asset to be located in my asset hierarchy. I can make it part of an existing location, or I can make it a top-level facility. Because this is a top-level facility, I will select the latter. When I go back to my facilities page, I now have one top-level asset there. I'll go ahead and add a new sub or child asset by selecting New, Facility. This one will be in a room in my main top-level facility. This time under Location, I will select This facility is part of and select the parent facility I just created. Next, I will add equipment that is located within that room. Here, I select This equipment is located at and assign it to the room I just created. My last asset will be a subcomponent of the equipment asset just created. To indicate this relationship in the CMMS, I will select This equipment is part of, which allows me to select the piece of equipment as the parent. In this case, I'll choose the CNC machine. Now when I expand the asset list, we can see the hierarchy I just created. We can add tools to our hierarchy in the same manner. The complexity of your asset hierarchy is determined by your needs.